In this video, I want to introduce to you Steve Blank and his concept of customer development, and that concept now has sort of become industry standard. And Steve Blank is a 3 times successful entrepreneur, like really successful, like $1 billion exits. And he's on top of that a Stanford professor. He's a little bit older now, and he started developing these theories in the 70s and I think 80s and 90s. And basically, he built 3 gigantic companies on top of these strategies. He was the first to develop them, and now he wrote a book and he sort of made his ideas industry standard. And he's a Stanford Business School professor. And so, how do you know what products and features your customers might want? It might seem simple, but the entire tech industry was missing this, and that's ask them before you build it. You literally go to your customers and ask them before you build it. So if you recall, who do you get feedback from about your business ideas? Friends and family, peers, experts. Now add to this list your potential and new customers. People who you think are going to be potential and new customers, definitely add them to this list. You cannot start your business without talking to them. They're like a little bit of a separate category. So it's a separate video because it's part of Steve Blank's, it's sort of his methodology is called customer development, and you literally develop the customer profile by talking to them, talking about their pain points, what they need, what the solutions are. And because they literally tell you, and if many people tell you the same thing, then you're like, light bulb goes off in your head, and you're like, aha, a lot of people are experiencing this problem. There's no great solution in the market at the moment. Boom, build it. And you'll have clients because people are begging for it, they're asking for it, they're voicing the need for it. And his quote, Steve Blank's quote, is get out of the building. Essentially, don't just sit at your desk and assume, but go and talk to people. It's really important. New current customers and potential new ones, that's the people you talk to. Now, who are your customers that you think are your customers? Well, that's it for a different video, and we'll cover that next.